Mag-start na po ang basketball tournament ng TMSEA dito sa Ugong, Pasig City Basketball Gym. Mati, surgery suite. Ito po ang imaging, radio, mga pogi. Ito ang legal department. Ito po ang legal, wellness, aesthetic. Ang legend po, tatlo kasama kami dyan. Ang housekeeping, at ang collection, and laboratory, may sila, and NSO. Ayan po ang mga kasali sa inter-department TMSEA basketball tournament. At dito naman po ang presidente, memorasyon at ang committee, Sir Alan Gamo, Mary, ayan po siya. Starting parade, Mati, imaging department, legal department, wellness, aesthetic, legend, housekeeping, collection department, NSO department, Ibay, ayan, and laboratory department.
Ang mga miss, naligawang sa harapan.
Ayan na.
Ito po ang mga kanilang supporter.
May konting fashion show. News, dito muna tayo sa harapan. Dito take picture. Dito.
Sir Alan.
Dito po. Yes. Konting picture tayo dito. Konting
shielded by the
Okay. I, your name, of Wellness Department, do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by all the rules of the games, that I will respect all calls and decisions of the referees and game officials, and that I will act at all times as true sportsman, whose desire to win is only second to the love of the game itself. I further solemnly declare that each game is a friendly contest done in the spirit of camaraderie and true friendship, where we triumph as considering victors or losers with grace and determined will to win. To all of these ideals, I hereby pledge my wholehearted cooperation and full commitment. So help me God.
Kuya Ivan, elbow shot on, patay. Oh, nakabawi. Artist lang, magaling. Ang galing talaga ng Kuya Ivan ko.
May points siya.
Oh, ito pa taas ko. Diba? Pagtitipon, oh, binigay. Rebound, number 20. Naghihintay na kapag-pair, sinasakay na. Ha!
green ball. Number 77. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 00. Pass to... Okay, backing.
Ano?
Backing. Collection ball. Sideline by Robes, number 7. Pass to Figueroa. Nice shot by Mucha. Mucha. Bumanglas, number 27. Pass to no shot. Robes. No.
Anong no?
27.
Yes!
3 points. No.
Oh, no.
Baba. Pass to Mucha. Mucha ng saging. Nice shot by Mucha. Malakas talaga si Mucha. Pinay-rate ng collection. Malakas pala yun. Number 4, pass to number 27. Pass to number 26. Who's foul?
Para kulong lagi. Tangan. Yun na. Natulawin nyo. Babalik lang yung yung nasa itaas. Nasa gitna ko lang yung sentro. Para tatlo lagi yun natin sa ibabaw. Tsaka kanina napansin ko, walang nag-check na sa kanila. Tapos, pagbaba ng bola, kunyari, nagbaba ng bola, pare, hindi mo muna ng spirit. Tapos yung dalawa na malaki, pare, luko muna sa gilid. Yung sentro na sentro. Pwede ka lang maglaro ng ganun, pare. Tapos yung dalawa, nasa gilid lang. Tayo muna kayo. Kayo na, para di sila makakilos na.